I'm Paula, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any videos. I'm really happy to see you all here again. I feel like we're already friends, aren't we? And it is amazing to have a big group of friends. Do you know why?
Because you get tons of presents for your birthday.
Yes, no. There is another reason. It is nice to have different personalities in a group because wouldn't it be boring if we were all so similar? For example, what kind of personality have you got?
No clue.
Well, don't worry, because we are going to find it out by playing this game I bought yesterday.
Let's go.
If you have no idea, as my friend, stay here, because with this video game, we are going to choose the personality that best fits us. Let's play! Dark horse. A person who keeps their interests and ideas secret. You never know what to expect. Smart cookie. A clever person who makes good decisions. A party animal. A person who enjoys parties so much that goes to as many as possible. Couch potato. A person who watches a lot of TV and doesn't have an active life. Daredevil. A person who does dangerous things and takes risks. CHATTERBOX. A person who talks a lot, continuously. Happy camper. Someone who is happy and satisfied.
That's so interesting. Well, I love parties, so I'm gonna say I'm a party animal. I'm gonna choose this kind.
Well, I'm definitely a chatterbox. What about you? Do any of these adjectives describe who you are? Do you know the meaning of control freak, go-getter, and cold fish? Please leave us a comment below with your answer. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumb up. See you in the next video. This was Paula, over and out.